caldo. So come here, work your way up to the second floor. That's the people. You can find a place where they serve food, the restaurants. I ordered a calentado with arepa and pork, and that should be out in a minute. Here's my coffee, my tinto, oscuro. So let's try this, see how this coffee is. It's okay. It's okay. Not the best Colombian coffee, but it's okay. So, but I wouldn't expect fancy coffee here. So let's see how the breakfast is. I'll make a video when it comes out here. Here's Milo. It's a chocolate drink with milk. So, let me try that and see how this is. It's a hot drink, like hot chocolate almost. It's good. It's unique, different kind of flavor. Very good though. Worth it. Okay, my breakfast has arrived. Let's take a look at it here. Calentado. So we have scrambled eggs with onion and cheese in there. Some pork loin, and then rice and beans mixed together in this arepa. So let's give this a shot. Eggs are very good. Simple meal. Try the rice and beans. Good. Simple, nothing fancy. We're good. Let me cut some of this pork. Some of this pork. Very good, very tasty, a little tough, but you can tell everything's fresh, probably locally sourced. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish enjoying this breakfast, and we'll see you in a little bit. So that breakfast was about $2.70. So not bad filling. Not the fanciest breakfast, but perfect. I just want to highlight something here. Colombians have a saying: eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a peasant. So. Alright, here's the second floor of the market. Kind of walking around, you see lots of stalls. They sell everything here. So everything you'd see in a grocery store, but probably fresher and cheaper. And La Minorista is the retail market. So there's a Majorista, which is the wholesale market. This is for everyday consumers, but anyone can shop at the Majorista too.